I'm gonna put my safety glasses on, because last time I did this and some freaking some of this solder metal almost hit my eyelid, and I felt the burn. Sure, I got a new soldering iron, baby. It's smooth, man. Smooth. Too smooth. Man, look at that soldering iron made a huge difference compared to that cheap one that I got from Walmart. Yeah, the other one still worked though. And it was crazy. I modified it still to make it even better, and it was still not good enough. It was good enough to work, baby.